winter melon, tomato, cumin casserole, or cumin winter melon tomato bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the winter melon recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin recipes and one of the most different of the stir fry recipes and one of the most unique of the casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the winter melon recipes and one of the most unique of the ashgoat recipes. Today we are going to make cumin winter melon tomato casserole. We've taken around 200 grams of winter melon peeled and cut into pieces, 3 tomatoes cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Caramel. You can saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic piece. Salt the garlic piece. salt taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in the tomato, put in the cumin seeds, salt, salt thoroughly, spoon of tea powder, Kaddu salt, put in the winter melon seeds, keep on sauteing this for around 4 to 5 minutes. And cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now put in the curry leaves, cloves, and let it cook for a minute. After a minute, now the cumin, winter melon, cumin, winter melon, tomato casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the winter melon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the cumin recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.